Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm just doing a quick video. What we're making today is just a vegan buffalo chickpea salad. What I have here is six 15-ounce cans of chickpeas that I've drained and rinsed and then briefly pulsed in a food processor until it's just broken down. You don't want to over process it and turn it into a paste. Just keep pulsing it briefly until it's just broken down. And then there's 3 stalks of celery chopped, 2 red bell peppers chopped, 3 medium carrots chopped, 2 bundles of green onions chopped, 1 10-ounce pack of garlic hummus, 1/2 of a cup of vegan mayo, and 1/2 of a cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce. We added a few spices to it as well. For our spices, as you can see here, we have 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, and finally 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. Only thing we have to do after that is just briefly mix it all together, and then we are good to go. So here is our end product. I just put some sliced tomatoes and spinach in a Vietnamese baguette along with a chickpea salad. Normally I would use this stuff here, which is nature's own perfectly crafted thick sliced multigrain bread. Pairs quite well with it along with some sliced cucumbers. I just feel like trying something different today. But that's it. Enjoy, guys.